Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create database tables in Supabase. So all you need to do is open Supabase, make sure you're all logged into your account, and then head on to your dashboard, and then you will see your projects. Click on the project that you want to create the database tables in, and then it will take you to here. Now inside you can see table editor, you press on it. Now you can see create a table, and here you can see the tables that you have. We don't have any tables for now, so press on create a table. Now give a name to that table, for example, customers. And then you can give it a description. It's very helpful since it describes what this table stores and what is its role in our database. And then you can see the columns that we have inside that table. ID created at the timestamp, the time that this record was created. And then we can add the column, for example, give it any name, for example, name. And then we can choose the type of that column: integer, float, numeric, text, varchar, date, boolean, or byte tier, which is a multi or single select its options. And then you can see it's null, or we can even and then we can choose the primary field. For each table needs a primary field, which will be the identifier of the table. For example, here it is the ID, but we can change it to any other one, and we can also remove it from here. And then we can also add foreign key and policies and everything, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.